Do you keep forgetting your passwords? What if I told you that your phone can remember them for you securely? Watch this. Even if you don't have a Samsung, don't scroll away. I'll show you how you can do this on other Android devices. And if you're an iPhone user, check the description for your steps. I will show you one for Samsung devices, like if you have a Samsung, and then the next will be for Android devices like Infinix, Motorola, all other Android that is not Samsung. So first you go to settings. Okay, so you can find the settings here, or you can scroll down and tap settings here. Either way, you go to settings and you scroll down and tap biometric and security. You go when you settings, biometrics and security. So mine, it falls under security and privacy. The shortest, quickest way to do this is you go to search here and you type biometrics and security. And it will show. It will show here. You tap it. Once you tap it, you select Samsung Pass. Okay? Okay, it's different for every phones though, right? So mine, I will still have to go further down to more security settings, but on some, once you type biometric and security, it will be here. So I go one more step to more security and settings, and then you select Samsung Pass, this one. So for all these steps I'm doing, you can just open your settings and go to the search and search Samsung Pass and it will come. So you just tap Samsung Pass and you sign in with your Samsung account. You sign in with your Samsung account. Okay. Samsung Pass, you sign in. Okay, so you sign in with fingerprints or whatever, but if you haven't already set it up, it will prompt you to create an account. Okay, if you haven't, then it will prompt you to create an account and you set your preferred authentication method, fingerprint, face recognition. I already set it up with fingerprint. So if I log in, once you enable the Samsung Pass, then now you can go and open any app or website with a login page. For example, I will go now to this app. I'll take this app, for example, Progressive. So once you enable Samsung Pass, will prompt you to save the credentials. So if you just set it up, the first time that you will sign in, it will prompt you to save. Samsung Pass will prompt you to save the credentials and you tap save. So that means next time you log in, you just use biometrics or PIN instead of typing your password. So you can also enable Samsung Pass to autofill payment details accurately, securely, I'm sorry. So for this, if I tap here, you say use your saved password. So if I select this, it will automatically fill in my saved password because I already saved the password before. So you can check this and check that. So next time when you log in, it will prompt you if you want to. Biometrics means like fingerprints or your face, to log in. Now, for other Android devices, you can use the Google Password Manager method. So you go to settings. Settings is either here or up here. So I prefer to go here to set. Let's try up here. You go to settings. Once you are in settings, you search for Google account. Search Google account. So Google accounts, you tap it, okay, and then you scroll to password manager. Okay, in my case, I have to go to Google account security right here. I select any Google account, I have so many, and then you go to down to password manager. Then here you look for the password manager. So this is, it says my saved password, but it's the same thing. You go to your password manager and you sign in. Because I'm already signed in, if you're doing this for the first time, it will prompt you to sign in and enable autofill with Google. So you check that. It's different from my phone because I have a Samsung thing set up. So you go and you sign in and enable autofill with Google. When you log in to app or website, you will see the option to save password like before, like the Samsung one, right? It will prompt you to save password, then you will tap yes. So next time Google will autofill it for you using biometrics or PIN. Okay, now for Android users, check the settings I have the test version, or I don't have a iPhone to demonstrate it, but check the description of this video. I have a description on how to do that. Okay, now you will never have to struggle with passwords again. Try this out and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. And don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips.